Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning operators and today's class is on operator precedence. So far we have learned about different type of operators. In the previous class also we learned about equal to operator, which is assignment, addition, multiplication, parentheses, shorthand operators, compound operators and all that part. And all different type of operators we have learned so far. Now, if in a single statement, if you have so many operators, which operator will take precedence? Which operation will take place first before the next one? And that is what the Java has a rule. And in the diagram you see on the screen, it talks about that, the operators like plus plus or minus minus, the increment operators has higher precedence. That means it will take place first before multiplication or division. Let's take this example where we are saying a equal to int a equal to 10, int b equal to 5, and again there is no data type for b because all three a, b and c and result, all four are declared as int. So it's perfectly all right to write like this. Now the main operation here is a modulus b plus c multiplied by a plus b minus c plus parenthesis minus a. Looks pretty complicated for sure. Now that is where this rule of precedence will help us. Remember, it says that the increment plus plus will take place first. So the value here that you see plus b is going to evaluate first. Similarly, minus c. So if c is 1 and we are saying decrement by 1, that means c is going to be 0. We are saying b equal to 5 and we are saying increment b by 1, so b is going to be 6. Now if you notice, both plus plus or minus minus, increment or decrement is before the operation. That means we will increase the value first, then use it. If it was b plus plus, we will simply use the value of b, and after the evaluation of result, this is where value of b will change, not in this statement. If it were b plus plus, but since it is plus b, that means we have to first increase and then use b. So b was 5. It is as good as inserting a line here that says b equal to b plus 1. Similarly, c equal to c minus 1, add this to sentence between these two. That's how you have to think, because it is plus b and minus b. It's a pre-increment or pre-decrement. So now this evaluates 6, minus evaluates 0. The next is modulus will evaluate a modulus b, and when you would say 10 modulus 5, this will become 0 because remainder is 0. Similarly, c multiplied by a, which is 1 multiplied by 10, that becomes 10, and ultimately result will become 0 plus 10 plus 6 minus 10, and final result will be 6. Hope this clarifies. Again, when you do practice on the platform, you will get this concept very clear and you will be able to use this. If not, come back, read this concept again so that you really get it. Again, anytime in doubt, I always recommend use parentheses. Suppose I want to force system to use b plus c, I would rather put a parenthesis here. By putting a parenthesis here, I am forcing Java to first evaluate b plus c, then do the modulus or multiplication. Thank you again. I'll see you guys in the next class.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.